Hello everyone, in front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So at first, open the settings, then go to About Phone, and here, once you see Mi version, tap on it 7 times. As you can see, from now on you're a developer, so let's go back, and now click on Additional Settings, where you will find developer options, right here. So click to open, and now you can smoothly use everything. Then whenever you wish to hide it again, just unmark the stop switcher, and then you will have to restart your device, and then developer options will be hidden, so you will have to perform the same trick again to use any of the features. So that's it, that would be all. So you can activate developer options, then to switch it off, click on restart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.